Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, this is the third part of chapter number 13, Motion and Time. Children, in this last part of the chapter, we will be studying about the distance time graph and interpreting the graph. Distance time graph. When a vehicle is moving on the road, it does not travel at a constant speed throughout its journey. Then how to calculate the speed of the vehicle at any given time? Now this can be done by plotting a distance time graph. The data can be represented by the various graphs such as the bar graph, pie chart or the line graph. Bar graph. A bar graph has vertical bars on its horizontal axis. The bar graph on the left side shows the rainfall received by a city in various months. Pie chart. A pie chart is a circle which is divided into sectors. The pie chart alongside shows the composition of the air. Line graph. Children, the picture alongside shows the line graph of the heights of girls and boys and their age. It is formed by plotting a number of points and connecting them to form a line. Children, our distance time graph is the line graph. To make a distance time graph, let us first understand how its axes are created. On a graph paper, make two lines which are perpendicular to each other. Mark their meeting points as O, which is called as the origin. The horizontal line OX drawn is called as the x-axis and the vertical line OY is called as the y-axis. OX and OY shows the positive values of x and y-axis respectively, which is reflected in the shaded area. Interpreting the graph. If the graph is a straight line, it means that the object is moving with a constant speed or has a uniform motion. In such case, the body is covering equal distance in equal interval of time. In a case where the body is not covering the same distance in same amount of time, it does not have a constant speed, that is, it is undergoing non-uniform motion. If the graph is flat, that is parallel to the time axis, then its speed is 0 because no distance is being travelled with the passage of time.